Often when I meet with clients, they may be several months behind on their mortgage payments. In fact, their home may be going through foreclosure proceedings. Or they may be several months behind on their car payment, and they need that car to get to and from work, and they are scared that it will be repossessed. When a bankruptcy proceeding is filed, the creditor is prohibited from continuing with a foreclosure or repossession of your vehicle. We can take the money that you're behind and pay it back over a 3 to 5 year period of time on terms that you can afford, so that you can get to and from work and be able to earn the money that you need to support you and your family. I'm Lars Olsen. I am the managing partner of OlsenDaines Law Firm. I have been a federal bankruptcy attorney for the past 32 years. Since 1978, OlsenDaines has been assisting clients throughout the Northwest who are facing debt problems and receiving the fresh start under federal bankruptcy laws in order to rebuild their financial lives for themselves and their families. Several weeks ago, I met with prospective clients named Stephen and Gloria. They were several months behind on their mortgage payments due to medical debt and a medical leave of absence. Even though Stephen was now back to work, they were not able to catch up on the house payments they had missed. When Stephen and Gloria first met with me, I told them the first thing they needed to do would be to retain the offices of OlsenDaines Law Firm. We can be retained for as little as $200. That allows clients to go ahead and refer their creditors over to our law firm. They can simply say, please contact my attorneys at OlsenDaines Law Firm. They've told me to refer you to them. When Stephen and Gloria met with me, I was able to share with them exactly what documents we will need to file their Chapter 13 bankruptcy. This includes a few pay stubs, bank statements, and tax returns. Once we receive this information, we prepare the federal bankruptcy petition and then set up an appointment to review the documents carefully with you to make sure that everything is accurately and disclosed. Under federal bankruptcy laws, we were able to save the home, take the amount of money that they were behind on their house, and pay it back over a 5-year period of time, giving them the ability to keep their home for themselves and their 3 minor children. They were able to take the approximately $12,000 they were behind on the home and pay it back in monthly payments of $200 a month through the federal bankruptcy court, allowing them to stay in the home. As a federal bankruptcy attorney, I actually enjoy my job. I don't think a lot of attorneys can say that. I enjoy it for this reason. When I meet with prospective clients, I can see the burden that they feel because of the debts that they are facing. When I discuss with them how we can help them, how we can give them a fresh start, how we can go ahead and relieve that burden, I can actually see it in their demeanor and their body language. They sit a little bit taller in their chairs. They breathe a little bit deeper. Their heads are held a little bit higher. I enjoy that part of my job. That keeps me coming to work every day, is to realize that we can help people. In the case of Stephen and Gloria, they are now in a confirmed, court-approved federal Chapter 13 reorganizational plan. Their creditors are no longer calling them. The bill collectors are no longer sending them bills. They're able to maintain and make their ongoing mortgage payment. And they're taking the amount of money they were behind on the home and paying it back over a 5-year period of time in an amount that they can afford and still support their families. To speak with us in person, in one of our local offices, or over the phone, or over FaceTime or Zoom, costs you absolutely nothing. We're here to answer your questions. We have over 150 years of combined experience dealing with financial laws and bankruptcy, and we can address your unique circumstances and how we as the attorneys here at OlsenDaines can help you and take off that burden that you're feeling. If you like the content you're seeing, please press the subscribe button below so that you will be subscribed to future YouTube videos. I'm Lars Olsen, the senior partner at OlsenDaines Law Firm, and I'll see you on the next video.